Masters of Compaction. We at Sakai are pioneers of road construction equipment, while also being professionals in compaction. We not only produce high-quality products, but we also provide high performance in compaction honed through many years of research. Compaction is about reducing the spaces between particles by applying a force. The compaction of soil, for example, hardens it and makes it less permeable to water. We provide reliable products and services. We develop useful technologies for the growth of the road business. And based on these, we contribute to society through national land development. 100 years have passed since our founding in 1918, and we re-examined the meaning of Sakai's existence. The increasing burden on the global environment has led to rising temperatures and sea levels, causing major flood. Restrictions on greenhouse gas emissions are also becoming stricter around the world. The entire Sakai Group is striving to address these global environmental issues. Sakai's products use a lot of steel, making them highly recyclable. Very little is thrown away, contributing to mitigation of the environmental burden. IoT, ICT and DX are also accelerating. Measures implemented against environmental issues and sustainable growth are inseparable. The 2015 Paris Agreement has promoted the disclosure of information on strategies and decarbonization in management to fight climate change. Meanwhile, flooding caused by severe rainstorms in recent years has led to the bolstering of embankment and the building of new regulating reservoirs, which require high-quality compaction technologies to protect lives and assets. The soil must also have sufficient workability, and we carry out surveys of its driving characteristics through trafficability tests in providing information to ensure the selection of appropriate compaction equipment. Roads will deteriorate in the future. Boosted productivity through ICT construction will contribute to faster repair and maintenance work. Meanwhile, research and development will be carried out with the aim of mitigating the environmental burden, and we are striving to realize zero emissions through the deployment of EV and FCV technologies in our products. In contributing to society through national land development, we are engaging actively in effort to promote the spread of the stabilizer construction method. We not only provide machines, but also foster human resources capable of designing road mixtures, operating machines, and even carrying out maintenance work. Moreover, we improve roads in developing countries and strive to create employment by allowing local people to carry out the construction work themselves. In the past, we carried out training on site, but with the spread of COVID-19, we are trying to continue projects through online training. Other than that, Sakai Indonesia has acquired certifications for local production and CSR in our effort to contribute to economic growth and the building of the foundations for industries. As part of DX at Sakai, we deploy wearable cameras as an aftercare service. We make use of highly skilled experts and offer better communication for on-site workers through on-site diagnosis of breakdowns, maintenance work, and training. In developing product 2, There is a need for autonomous driving and automated construction through the use of AI technology as a measure against a declining working population and to boost productivity. An involved rolling compaction system and emergency brake device will realize high quality and high safety compaction, dramatically improving productivity. Real-time operational management, breakdown prediction, and remote controlling will be carried out from a control center, allowing us to provide everything from the machines to construction work and aftercare services. In the future, all our products will be electrified and Sakai's products and services will be connected to the network. In building lunar bases too, infrastructure will be constructed using the same method as on Earth. Human resources will be the driving force behind the creation of our future. The combining of people with people and people with AI will lead to new discoveries and creativity. This will be founded on reliable compaction technology. And the technology must be passed on to future generations. Waste must be transported, treated, and disposed of. At Sakai, we believe that compression or compaction technology will provide one of the solutions to creating a better world by fighting global warming and environmental issues. Moreover, drugs, cosmetics, food, and other things we use in everyday life require optimal compaction method depending on the material and its quality and state. Cars will fly through the skies in the near future, and the role of roads will undoubtedly change. A variety of compaction technologies may become necessary for the preservation of the environment for plants and animals. Roads must be built. Worlds must be connected. Compaction is Sakai's identity itself. We will connect with the world through the development of new compaction methods and grow as a company that delivers smile to all over the world.